Good evening and welcome to the daily market update. The DSEX closed flat today, shedding minus 2.03 points or 0.04% to finish at 5,323. Meanwhile, market turnover fell by 34.20% from the previous session to 5.82 billion Bangladeshi takas. Grameenphone from the telecommunication sector, Square Pharma from the pharmaceutical sector, and British American Tobacco Bangladesh from the food and allied sector dragged the market down, while BRAC Bank, Islami Bank, and Pubali Bank from the banking sector pulled the market up today. In terms of sector-wise return, the service and real estate sector posted the highest gain of 2.01%, followed by the textile sector with a gain of 1.51%, and the telecommunication sector registered the second highest loss of 3.50% today. 6 NBFIs were among the top 20 losers today. Far East Finance, FAS Finance, and People Leasing and Finance registered the highest gain, while Sonargaon Textile, Union Capital, and GSP Finance were the top losers today. There was no disclosed price-sensitive information for these stocks. The trading volume of CNA Textiles, Olive Industries, and Pacific Denims increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There is no publicly disclosed material reason for the volume increase of these stocks. Today's top 2 news: Bangladesh Bank has instructed scheduled banks that continuous loans can be renewed even after their original tenure expires, as long as they have not been classified as default, effectively giving lenders and borrowers up to 3 extra months before the loan becomes non-performing. This directive, effective until the 31st of December 2027, aims to ease procedural delays and pressure on businesses in sectors like import, export, and trade by reducing complications in loan renewal. However, a central bank official warned that the policy could encourage poor repayment discipline, so strict monitoring is needed to prevent misuse. The yield on 2-year Bangladesh government treasury bonds, BGTBs, fell to 9.74%, below the Bangladesh Bank's current policy repo rate of 10%, reflecting weaker demand for private loans and strong liquidity in the banking system. Banks have been directing excess funds into low-risk government securities because private sector credit demand remains subdued following the recent national election. The central bank expects private sector credit demand will improve gradually in the coming months. That's all for today. Thank you.